Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Nissan Murano and I will show you which fuses to check in case your Murano is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the first fuse will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin just down here in the bottom left side. And you want to pull this cover towards yourself. Okay. And on the back side you will also have a small fuse diagram. And you can see here in the top left corner 15 amp fuse, front heated seats. And once you remove the cover you will have access to all of the fuses down here. Okay, and just like the diagram says, you want to check the first top fuse on the left side. Now I will try to record it, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to squeeze my phone inside. So you want to check this left side and go all the way up to the first fuse. It will be a blue 15 amp fuse. All the way up there. Yeah, I can't really squeeze my phone deep inside. Actually I can. You see this blue fuse? Okay, I'll try to pinpoint it. This is the heated seats fuse. That's the first one you want to check. Okay, now the second fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, so just behind this cover. To remove the cover you have two black tabs, one on the bottom, one on the top. You want to press them both and lift up. Okay, I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, and again on the back side you will have a small fuse diagram and here access to all of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check in this fuse box will be also 15 amp blue fuse located right here. So I want to check these two fuses. If both of these are good, then you want to dig a bit deeper. You want to test the heated seats switch, check the wiring, and in the end possibly inspect the heating element in the seat itself. But if you're lucky, and most usually problem is one of these two fuses or sometimes the switch. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.